Hi everybody, this is going to be a little narrated picture show of my Nighthawk 250 build. So here you're looking at the frame as it came out of the box. It had silver stainless button head hardware, blue aluminum standoffs, as well as all of the standard carbon fiber top bottom plates, arms. And here you'll see the weight of the frame stock. Comes up as 121.3 grams. Very lightweight for a quad this size. Here's the old silver hardware versus the new black anodized hardware. Same weight as stock. They're both 6.7 grams per bundle. Just a better color if you ask me. And here I'm showing a little bit of electrical tape on the carbon because carbon fiber is conductive. And with the ESCs mounted inside of the frame, I didn't want anything shorting out. So I just took some regular electrical tape and lined where the ESCs were going to sit in between the two frame plates. Here are the motors that I'm using. I did get this kit used, so they had some wires soldered on there already. But they're Emax branded 2204 2300 kV motors. And just to clean them up a little bit, I added some blue Tech Flex and some heat shrink around the wires to make them look very clean. Here I am mounting the motors to the arms. Always make sure you use Loctite on mini quads. Any vibration will cause those bolts to walk out and you'll be in for a real headache while you're trying to fly. So here's a picture of the main plate that pretty much everything bolts to. Standoffs, flight controller, top and bottom plate. Here it is with the arm bolts going through and the top plate standoffs installed. Here's one of the arms installed, and you can see how the motor wires route straight down the center of the arm in between the two aluminum standoffs to where the ESC will be mounted. Very clean install. Here's the 4-in-1 ESC I'm running. It's a Blue Series 12 amp from Ready to Fly quads. And liquid electrical tape again to make sure nothing shorts out, and the speed controller that's mounted in the bottom of the frame is also water resistant. So here you can see the first 3 motor wires soldered and taped. Here's the 4th motor wire soldered, and then just to seal it up it gets one last coat of liquid electrical tape over the whole thing. And then here it is with the bottom plate installed. Very clean setup, very sleek. Looks good with all the blue Tech Flex. Just another angle. I have black anodized aluminum lock nuts on the bottom. Here's the camera. Time to start prepping that. So it gets mounted into the carbon fiber tray with 2mm bolts. And then it is also liquid electrical tape to make sure it's watertight in case I crash into some water. Here it is mounted on the quad with the flight controller also liquid electrical taped and my 4-channel FreeSky receiver. Front shot of the same thing. You can see the FreeSky receiver antennas sticking out. Here's the top plate with the battery strap and the transmitter mounted. That's a 250 milliwatt Fat Shark transmitter with the SpiroNet antenna. Again, just wrapped in blue Tech Flex to make it look pretty. Now it's time to get in some LEDs. These are NeoPixel sticks by a company called Adafruit. So there's one 8-pixel stick in the front, one 8-pixel stick in the back. And here you can see a bottom view of both NeoPixel sticks with the 3D printed mounts that I made for them. And then lastly, there is a 12 LED NeoPixel ring mounted on the back. That ring actually is what flashes to let you know how much throttle you're giving. And here's a final shot of all the electronics mounted and everything. And then I 3D printed these side panels, also called aero panels, that clip onto the aluminum posts just to keep dirt and dust and grass and stuff out and also help make it more aerodynamic. So here's a closer shot of them. You can see the 3 vents in the side to keep all the electronics cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.